Hello, welcome once again, and a special welcome to all new viewers to this virtual channel. Today I want to share with you this problem solving question involving 3 circles and a band length. So we have a green band that goes around 3 identical circles, and the height of the whole diagram is 2 meters. That's perpendicular height. You're supposed to work out the length of the green band and answer correct to 1 decimal place. I will start by first work out the green band in terms of the radius and work out the radius to work out the final answer. So let's start. Triangle ABC is equilateral, and the reason is each side is made of 2 radii, as you can see, AJ, JB, BL, LC, CK, and KA. Therefore, each angle is 60 degrees. Second thing that you need to note is that ID, EF, and HG are tangents. And one rule that you need to remember is that the red line, the tangents, they are parallel and congruent to each of the blue line, as you can see. So ID is parallel and at the same time congruent to AB, such as AC is also parallel to HG and is congruent. The same for BC and EF. Now, which means that the length of HG is 2R, EF is 2R, DI is also 2R. And the reason is that tangent and radius meet at right angles, so they form 90, 90, 90, 90. So this is typically a rectangle. Now, if that is 90, that means this angle is 120, because 90, 90, and 60, you need 120 to make 360. That's 120 and 120. Now, when you see this, then you realize that you can pull these arcs. And if you pull them together, rearrange them, you form a circle. So let's see. So it's clear that the length of IH plus GF and ED make a complete circumference of a circle with a radius R. So we can now know that the green band actually is made of 3 arcs, which is the circumference, and 3 red lines, which each is equal to 2R. So which means our 3 arcs is circumference, which is given by 2 pi R. And our 3 straight lines, each is 2R, so that's going to be 6R. So the length of the actual band in terms of R is 6R plus 2 pi R. And I've written it in this form because I want to work out what R is. So now this is the actual expression of the band in terms of R. Now let's focus on how to work out the radius. Let's find the length of AL. Okay. If you look at AL, now AL is more or less equal to the full 2 meters. Look at this 2 meters. But if I take out a radius, and I take out this radius, I will be left with AL, as you can see here. So let me repeat for you to see. AL is equal to full 2 meters minus this radius and minus that radius. So simplifies as 2 minus 2R. That's what we have. Now we know that AC is 2R, as we said before. Now let's focus on this right angle triangle and let's pull it aside. So here we have 30 degrees because we split it into halves, and this is so 60. Sine 60 is opposite over hypotenuse, is 2 minus 2R over 2R. And we also know that sine 60 actually in exact form is root 3 over 2. Now let's replace sine 60 with root 3 over 2 and solve for R. If you solve for R, you cross multiply 2R root 3, and 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times minus 2R is 4R. Divide through by 2, that's fine. That's what you have. Then group the R's, factor out R, and divide 2 by root 3 plus 2. So that is the length of the radius. So now going back to what we had for our total length of the band, we can replace the radius with this, and now the computer or the calculator will work it out for you, and approximately you have 6.6 meters. So this is how to solve this kind of problem. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please share with your friends and follow me if you like these videos on TikTok. Thanks for watching.